Okay, let's take a look at the basics. We're just going to talk again about exact values and decimal approximations. Because some radicals all radicals have decimal approximations. Some radicals have exact integer values. And an exact value is something like square root 2. That is an exact mathematical value. And we call this a surd. That's the proper name for it. When an exact value of a radical is shown on the paper, it's called a surd. The decimal approximation is 1.41. Now, the square root of 2 is an element of the irrational numbers. That means that this decimal approximation does not repeat, nor does it terminate. So we're just listing out a very inexact approximation of the square root of 2. Right? The square root of 3 is an exact value. And the approximation for the square root of 3 is 1.73. So decimal approximation is 1.73. It's often easier to use exact values in mathematical formula rather than having to go into using our decimal approximations. It's also more exact to be able to use the exact value in math rather than having to use a decimal approximation.